Change my life, discovering Sweden's ultimate adventure. Imagine exploring a land where modern design meets ancient Viking history. Sweden is a country that seamlessly blends the old with the new, offering a unique travel experience. From cutting-edge architecture to historical landmarks, every corner of this Scandinavian gem has a story to tell. Welcome to Sweden, the ultimate travel adventure. This enchanting country promises breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cities, and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're a nature lover, history buff, or urban explorer, Sweden has something special in store for you. Prepare to be captivated by its endless charms and hidden treasures. Discover the vibrant capital city, Stockholm. Known as the Venice of the North, Stockholm is a city of stunning waterfront views, innovative design, and bustling markets. It's a place where tradition meets modernity, offering a dynamic atmosphere that's both cosmopolitan and steeped in history. Wander through the medieval streets of Gamla Stan. This charming old town, with its narrow cobblestone lanes and colorful buildings, is one of Europe's best preserved historic centers. Each step here feels like a journey back in time, with surprises waiting around every corner. Tour the majestic Royal Palace, a symbol of Sweden's regal heritage. Located in the heart of Stockholm, this grand palace is one of the largest in Europe. Explore its opulent rooms, treasure-filled museums, and witness the changing of the guard, a spectacle that embodies royal tradition. Explore the Vasa Museum, a maritime marvel housing a 17th century warship that sunk on its maiden voyage. Preserved in remarkable detail, the Vasa offers a fascinating glimpse into Sweden's naval history. Each deck reveals stories of seafaring life, making it a must-see for history buffs and curious travelers alike. Djurgården, a serene island oasis in Stockholm, invites you to unwind amidst lush greenery and scenic beauty. Home to museums, gardens, and parks, this tranquil retreat offers a perfect escape from the city's hustle. Enjoy a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or visit its family-friendly attractions. At the ABBA Museum, immerse yourself in the world of Sweden's legendary pop group. Dance along to iconic hits, explore memorabilia, and even step into a recording booth. This interactive experience brings the magic of ABBA to life, making it a fun and nostalgic trip for all ages. Step back in time at Skansen, the world's oldest open-air museum. Wander through historic buildings, from farmhouses to artisan workshops, and experience traditional Swedish life. With live demonstrations and a zoo featuring native wildlife, Skansen offers a rich, immersive cultural experience for visitors of all ages. Marvel at the architectural splendor of Stockholm City Hall, an iconic building known for its grand design and impressive interiors. Host to the Nobel Prize banquet, its ornate halls and tower offer panoramic city views. A guided tour reveals the history and craftsmanship behind this architectural masterpiece. Sail through Stockholm's stunning archipelago, a picturesque network of over 30,000 islands, skerries, and rocks. Experience serene waters, quaint villages, and lush landscapes. Whether you prefer a guided boat tour or a self-driven kite adventure, the archipelago offers a perfect escape into nature's tranquility. Discover the charm of Sweden's second-largest city, Gothenburg. With its picturesque canals, leafy boulevards, and vibrant waterfront, Gothenburg captures both historical and modern allure. Enjoy the city's bustling markets, stylish boutiques, and cozy cafes, making it a delightful destination for culture and leisure. Enjoy family fun at Liseberg Amusement Park, one of Europe's leading amusement parks. With thrilling rides, beautiful gardens, and entertaining shows, Liseberg promises excitement for visitors of all ages. Don't miss the park's festive atmosphere during the Christmas season, complete with sparkling lights and holiday markets. Admire masterpieces at the Gothenburg Museum of Art, home to one of Northern Europe's finest art collections. From Nordic classics to contemporary works, the museum showcases an impressive range of artistic expressions. It's a heaven for art enthusiasts, offering inspiration and insight into Sweden's rich cultural heritage. Stroll through the quaint Haga district, Gothenburg's charming old town. Cobblestone streets, well-preserved wooden houses, and inviting cafes create a nostalgic atmosphere. Browse unique shops, savor delicious pastries, and soak in the historic ambience. Haga is a delightful blend of tradition and modernity, perfect for a leisurely day out. Explore the wonders of science and nature at Universium, where interactive exhibits captivate visitors of all ages. Delve into the mysteries of space, dive into the depths of the ocean, and wander through lush rainforest environments. This experience is both educational and entertaining, making it a must-visit. Malmö, Sweden's multicultural gem, offers a vibrant blend of old and new. Stroll through its charming streets, where historic architecture meets modern innovation. Enjoy diverse culinary delights, explore bustling markets, and soak in the city's dynamic atmosphere. Malmö's rich cultural tapestry is sure to leave a lasting impression. Cast your eyes skyward and marvel at the Turning Torso, an architectural icon in Malmö. This twisting skyscraper, designed by Santiago Calatrava, is a symbol of modernity and innovation. Its unique design and stunning views make it a standout attraction, drawing architecture enthusiasts from around the world. Step back in time at Malmö Castle, a historic fortress that tells tales of Sweden's past. Wander through its ancient halls, explore the museum exhibits, and immerse yourself in centuries of history. Malmö Castle offers a fascinating glimpse into the region's heritage and architectural evolution. Experience contemporary art like never before at Moderna Museet Malmö. This cutting-edge museum showcases a diverse collection of works by both Swedish and international artists. With thought-provoking exhibitions and engaging installations, it provides a stimulating environment for art lovers to explore and appreciate modern artistic expression. Stretching gracefully between Sweden and Denmark, the Øresund Bridge is an architectural marvel that connects the two countries over the beautiful Øresund Strait. This engineering feat offers breathtaking views and a seamless driving experience, making it a must-see landmark for any traveler exploring Scandinavia. In the heart of Swedish Lapland, the northern lights paint the night sky with ethereal hues of green, purple, and pink. This natural phenomenon is a mesmerizing display that captivates visitors, offering an unforgettable experience that showcases the raw beauty of Sweden's northern wilderness. The Ice Hotel in Jukkasjärvi is a winter wonderland crafted entirely from ice and snow. Each room is uniquely designed by artists, creating a magical and surreal atmosphere. Staying here is not just an overnight experience but a journey into an icy realm of creativity and imagination. Dog sledding in Swedish Lapland is an exhilarating adventure through pristine, snowy landscapes. Guided by skilled mushers, you'll glide across frozen trails pulled by teams of enthusiastic huskies. This thrilling activity connects you with nature and offers a unique way to experience the Arctic wilderness. Kiruna, Sweden's northernmost town, is a gateway to Arctic adventures and rich cultural experiences. This charming town offers insights into Sweden's mining history and serves as a starting point for exploring the breathtaking surrounding landscapes. It's a captivating destination for those seeking to venture off the beaten path. Journey to Kiruna, the northernmost town in Sweden, where the Arctic wilderness awaits. This unique destination offers a blend of rich culture and stunning natural beauty. Marvel at the midnight sun in summer or the mesmerizing polar night in winter, making Kiruna year-round wonder. Abisko National Park is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Its breathtaking landscapes feature dramatic mountains, clear waters, and abundant wildlife. Known for its exceptional hiking trails, Abisko also offers one of the best spots to witness the Northern Lights, providing unforgettable experiences. Delve into the vibrant Sami culture, an integral part of Sweden's heritage. Learn about the traditions, crafts, and reindeer herding practices of this indigenous community. Engaging with the Sami people offers a deep, authentic insight into their way of life, enriching your travel experience in Swedish Lapland. Gotland, a historic island in the Baltic Sea, captivates visitors with its serene landscapes and rich past. Known for its medieval history and stunning coastlines, Gotland offers a tranquil escape. Explore ancient ruins, picturesque villages, and the island's unique limestone formations that tell tales of centuries gone by. Step back in time in Visby, Gotland's medieval heart. This UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts cobblestone streets, ancient city walls, and charming medieval architecture. Strolling through Visby feels like entering a storybook, where each corner reveals a piece of Sweden's fascinating history and timeless beauty. Explore the unique rock formations on Faroe Island, a hidden gem off the coast of Gotland. This remote island offers a surreal landscape of limestone stacks shaped by millennia of wind and waves. Walk along the rugged shoreline and immerse yourself in the natural beauty that has inspired countless artists. Visit the historic university city of Uppsala, where tradition meets modernity. Wander through charming cobblestone streets and discover centuries-old architecture. The city's vibrant academic atmosphere is palpable, making it a lively hub of learning and culture. Uppsala seamlessly blends its rich past with a dynamic present. Admire the grandeur of Uppsala Cathedral, a stunning Gothic masterpiece that dominates the city skyline. This architectural marvel, dating back to the 13th century, is the final resting place of Swedish royalty and notable figures. Step inside to experience its soaring ceilings, intricate stained glass, and serene ambience. Stroll through the Linnaeus Garden, a botanical heaven named after the renowned botanist Carl Linnaeus. This meticulously maintained garden showcases a diverse collection of plants and flowers, reflecting Linnaeus' passion for nature. It's a peaceful retreat where you can learn about botanical history and enjoy the beauty of horticulture. Experience the enchanting forests of Småland, a region steeped in folklore and natural beauty. Wander through dense woodlands, dotted with serene lakes and charming red cottages. Småland's landscapes inspired the beloved tales of Astrid Lindgren, making it a magical destination for nature lovers and literary enthusiasts alike. Astrid Lindgren's World is a magical theme park where beloved characters from Lindgren's books come to life. Children and adults alike can immerse themselves in the enchanting tales of Pippi Longstocking, Emil, and other favorites. Live performances, interactive exhibits, and beautifully crafted settings make storytelling an unforgettable adventure. In the Glass Kingdom, artisans showcase their incredible glass-blowing skills, creating stunning works of art. Visitors can watch the mesmerizing process, participate in workshops, and even purchase unique glass pieces. The region is rich in tradition and creativity, making it a fascinating destination for art lovers and curious travelers. Swedish cuisine offers a delightful array of flavors and dishes, from iconic meatballs and lingonberry sauce to fresh seafood. Experience the culinary diversity by dining at local restaurants and markets. Each meal tells a story of Sweden's rich cultural heritage and dedication to high-quality, locally sourced ingredients. The tradition of fika is a cherished aspect of Swedish culture, inviting people to pause and enjoy a coffee break with friends and family. Indulge in delicious pastries and coffee while experiencing the warmth of Swedish hospitality. Fika is more than a snack, it's a moment of connection and relaxation. Ready for your ultimate Swedish adventure? Pack your bags and set off to explore this captivating country. From the enchanting forests of Småland to the bustling streets of Stockholm, Sweden offers endless discoveries. Embrace the culture, savor the cuisine, and create memories that will last a lifetime.